Hey YouTube, it's mostly Mantar. I got a new mic. We're going to see if it works. It's been stored away. That's why there's green duct tape. It's been stored away. But now I'm going to see if it works because I'm tired of having that annoying mic. Okay. This has never been opened. My brothers have one of these for Xbox, so it's Turtle Beach. I remember using it on my Xbox. It's pretty good. So here it is, the Turtle Beach Air Force PX3. An adjustable mic, whatever you want to call it. And it looks like, here's the instruction manual. See, I'm kind of worried this might not work, because my other one, it only worked to PS3, I believe. Yeah, it says PC, Mac, PS3, and Xbox 360, but we'll see if I can get it to work anyways. So there's the box, whatever you call it. It's pretty cool looking. Here's one of the adapters. The headphone. I don't know, this is like another adapter thing for this, or for this, I think. There's the other adapter. It looks like this one will be the one. It's the charging one. And that's it. So yeah. One more time. This is the headset. It's pretty comfortable. I like it. It shouldn't buzz. If it does, I apologize. The reason why I got this out of storage was because I wanted to make it to you guys don't have to listen to that buzz anymore. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time.